So this is a Speedball silk screening kit, and it's the one that comes with the bracket, and it's got the attachments up there, so it has like a base. The masonite there works as a base, and it's just more stable, it's easier to handle, and you can use it with one hand, which is really useful. Okay, so the image that I was using, I just taped it onto the back of the screen with tape, and this is to form the basic drawing for what I'm going to fill in with the blue drawing fluid. Okay, you could just go ahead and put drawing fluid on there directly without drawing first. That's totally okay too, but I wasn't entirely sure what I was doing, so I drew it on first. So I'm ready to apply the drawing fluid, and I've lifted up the screen above my desk with just little bowls. You can lift them up with whatever, tubs of paint, whatever you've got. Now here's a hint. Remove the paper from the back. I did not, and it sucked away a whole bunch of the drawing fluid that I was using to put on, and that kind of sucked. So you will remove your drawing from behind the screen before you put the drawing fluid on. Good for you. Be as accurate as possible as you can with the drawing fluid, because you're literally drawing on the area of the screen that the paint will come through. So when you screen print, whatever you're drawing in this blue color will be what prints onto your paper or fabric. So just be really, really careful about how you put this on. No pressure or anything. I'm going over again with the blue because what I thought was a really thick and total coverage application became much less so once I took the paper off the back. You can always add more too if you don't think you've got total coverage, or you want to make sure that you've covered up any bubbles that might have appeared. Okay, once the blue has dried completely, you want to use the screen filler. And basically, screen filler you're going to apply like a paint with the squeegee right across the whole screen, right over the blue. And it's actually going to fill in all the holes in the screen and prevent any paint from going through when you do a pull, when you do a screen print. Then I applied some screen filler into the crevices between the screen and the wood just to seal it and to prevent any paint from going through. I wasn't totally satisfied with how covered the screen looked, so I just went ahead and put a whole other second coat by brush, much thicker, directly onto the screen, just to make sure that I had blocked off everything I wanted blocked off. Once the screen is completely dry, you rinse off and rub off the blue. And you can get the blue off just with some gentle scrubbing with a sponge. Don't worry about taking out the screen filler. It's actually really difficult to get out, so you can't scrub it off. Don't worry about that. And then what you'll end up with is a screen that looks like this piece of paper here with all the red blocked in and your print paint coming through the open parts. Okay, so thanks for watching, enjoy, and good luck screen printing.